be out doing junk removal. Most importantly, glad to be working for myself. See, pride in service. Giving pride to the customers. Taking pride in the work we do. Bringing that into the service that we offer. That's what it's about. Colorado. We out here in Aurora. Got the 20-yard bin back there. We're about to go drop that roll-off off. Made some quick money. Easy money. I actually like roll-offs better because you don't have to load them up yourself. You know what I'm saying? You ain't got to worry about loading things up yourself. Let the customer do the loading. When they done, call you. Go pick it up. Got a wire that's kind of pulled on my battery though, so I'm gonna have to just drop the full trailer. Not sure how they're gonna feel about that, but it's a dumpster last minute, so they should be able to work it out for now. It's just the wire on the battery itself, and it causes the roll-off not to want to drop. So I just gotta get that wired back up and then it'll be back right. But yeah, how y'all doing? You know what I'm saying? Y'all come in, hit the like button if you would, please. Like I was saying, I'm just out here with my daughter Maria. Went and picked her up. She wanted to ride with Dad. I had a little break. Went to the house. Recorded some videos. Trying to take that side of things more serious. Yeah. Beautiful Colorado, man. Sun shining. It was a cool day. Long day. I was supposed to have a meeting, but I didn't even make that. But we'll definitely get to that. How y'all doing on this Saturday? Got any plans? Y'all just chilling with the family? What's going on? And how was y'all's junk day? How was junk removal day today on the weekend? Y'all made some pretty good money? I hope so. But yeah, man, I'll tell you, these roll-offs, they come in handy. They really come in handy. I really wish I can get on that side of things and push that a lot harder. But yeah, we gonna get to it. We gonna figure it out, man. It's been 6 years since I've done this, so you know, unlike always stress, I take mine. Not like the other companies who's rushing to grow, get big, and then, you know, fall. I've been babying the hell out of this thing. It's my livelihood. This year is what I'm leaving for my kids. My daughter talks a lot about it all the time. I want to be in the business, Daddy. I want to do the paperwork. Well, yeah, you're going to be able to do that paperwork. What's up, man? How you doing? How the rest of y'all doing? But yeah, thankful, man. There's a lot of people who aren't able. I stress that. I stress that. You know what I'm saying? Get on here and chat a little bit, see what y'all up to, see what my subscribers is up to. Well, what's up? Where y'all from? What's the name of y'all's companies if you got a junk removal company?